Are you looking for the best Vitamix blenders? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Vitamix blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vitamix Propel Series 750 Blender. The Vitamix Propel 750 blends professional level power with everyday function, making it our pick for the best overall Vitamix blender. It comes with 10 variable speeds, a pulse feature, and 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soup, frozen desserts, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. In testing, we found that this model excelled across all categories. It crushed ice effortlessly, blended smoothies to an ultra-smooth finish, and heated soups directly in the pitcher until ready to serve. We were especially impressed with how it handled delicate recipes like hollandaise, producing a silky sauce that, in our opinion, rivaled restaurant results. The 64-ounce container is well suited for families or batch prep, and its low-profile design fits under most kitchen cabinets, making it practical for everyday storage. One standout highlight was its soup-making ability. The Propel 750 not only pureed soups to a smooth consistency but also heated them directly in the pitcher. In testing, a pumpkin soup came out perfectly blended and hot enough to serve straight from the container. Cleanup was equally as simple, since rinsing the container with warm water and a drop of soap was usually all it took to get the pitcher ready for the next use. Although the price is high and the motor can be on the louder side, we found that the Propel 750 justifies the investment with its 2.2 horsepower motor, consistently excellent results, and a 7-year warranty. For anyone shopping for a Vitamix, it offers the power, durability, and versatility that have made the brand a favorite in both home and professional kitchens. Capacity, 64 ounces, horsepower, 2.2, presets, 5 speeds, 10 plus pulse, dimensions, 9 by 7.5 by 18 inches, warranty, 7 years. Number 2. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Vitamix blenders are the cream of the crop and are priced as such. If you're hesitant about spending so much, you can still get top-quality blending power for a little less money by choosing a model with fewer bells and whistles, like this one. Operation is easy, with a variable speed dial, an on-off toggle, and a pulse toggle, so you can do your blending exactly the way you want. This blender includes a 48-ounce pitcher that's on the smaller side but still large enough for most recipes and certainly enough for your breakfast smoothies or slushy cocktails. Even without a special setting, cleaning is easy since all you do is add a drop of dish soap in water and let it run for about a minute to clean the blades and container. In fact, when we tested this model, it was one of the easiest to clean after making peanut butter. It produced a frothy smoothie with a very smooth consistency and was middle of the road in terms of noise. One downside we noted was that the motor seemed overworked when processing denser foods. Capacity, 48 ounces, horsepower, 2 presets, 0 speeds, 10 dimensions, 11 by 8 by 18 inches, warranty, 5 years. Number 3. Vitamix Professional Grade Blender. This Vitamix 5200 comes with a tall, slim, 64-ounce container that's perfect for smoothies, purees, and nut butters. It has a variable speed dial that lets you change the speed as you blend and a pulse button for chunky blending and precise textures. The on-off toggle rounds out the controls. The blades of the machine go so quickly that you can even cook your food while you blend. In as little as 6 minutes, cold ingredients can get heated to steaming, so you don't have to warm up your ingredients beforehand to make a creamy pureed soup. Though we didn't attempt hot soup in our tests, we found that this model outperformed all the others when it came to blending peanuts into peanut butter. The taller, skinnier jar made a huge difference in texture compared to what we made with other models. The peanut butter didn't come out crumbly or transform into peanut dust, it was smooth, creamy, and delicious. The mess afterward was exceptionally easy to clean with soap and water, with most of the leftover nut butter concentrated on the blades. The noise level was about average. Capacity, 64 ounces, horsepower, 2 presets, 0 speeds, 10 dimensions, 20.5 by 8.75 by 7.25 inches, warranty, 7 years. Number 4. Vitamix Ascent X5 Blender. The newest and smartest smart blender from Vitamix launched in September 2024 and boasts a wide range of variable speeds and 10 preset recipe buttons for making a pretty impressive variety of blended goodies, smoothies, frozen desserts, soups, dips and spreads, frozen cocktails, smoothie bowls, nut butter, non-dairy milk, spice blends, and frappe. It has the ever-popular self-clean feature and the more basic buttons for blending and pulsing manually. There's also a button to add 15 seconds to any cycle if things aren't quite blended as much as you'd like, and an alert feature that prompts you when to use the tamper to help move things along. There's a recipe booklet if you're unsure what the difference is between a smoothie and a frappe, or if you want ideas for new blends. A build-your-own smoothie guide offers suggested ingredients so you can customize your smoothie with your favorite flavors. The frozen dessert setting will be a favorite during the summer for easy soft-serve ice cream with lots of fruit. One of our favorite settings is for hot soup. The booklet includes recipes for both hot and pre-cooked ingredients, as well as one that starts with raw ingredients. However, our favorite use for that setting is tossing in cooked, leftover vegetables along with some stock and making a hot, creamy vegetable soup in just a few minutes. In addition to its steep price, this blender requires new self-detect containers, so older standard containers won't work. It does work with previous self-detect accessories, like the food processor, if you're upgrading. If the X5 is out of your price range, the X4, X3, and X2 are all available, though we haven't tested them. However, if they are anything like their counterpart, we think they will fit wonderfully into any kitchen. Currently, we are still testing the X5 to fully evaluate its features and will update the review once we've finished. Capacity, 48 ounces, horsepower, 2.2, presets, 10 speeds, 19 dimensions, 9.75 by 7.75 by 17 inches, warranty, 10 years. Number 5. Vitamix Immersion Blender. If you don't have the budget or space for a full-size Vitamix, this handheld immersion blender offers versatility and 625 watts of power in a compact form. Of course, it doesn't include a blending jar or pitcher, but it can be used in lots of vessels. The handheld convenience means you can blend dressings in mason jars, smoothies in cups, and soups and sauces in their pots. It'll fit in any container that has at least a 3-inch opening. We had no trouble blending cooked fruits to make mostarda, freshly cooked dried beans to make refried beans, and a creamy and smooth tomato soup. A blade guard helps prevent blades from scratching whatever you're blending in, making this blender safe to use even in non-stick coated cookware. Most stick-style blenders can run for only a minute at a time to prevent overheating. The Vitamix quadruples this time and can run for 4 minutes before shutting off, which is more than enough time to achieve the perfect blend. Since testing, we have kept this one nearby so we can grab it whenever we need to blend a hot soup or make silky smooth refried beans, blending right in the pot. It's also excellent at making mayonnaise in a standard canning jar, and we can flavor the mayo exactly how we want it, whether we're after a garlic aioli or a lemon-heavy sauce for fried fish. It takes literal seconds to make mayonnaise, and we've never had a failure. Capacity, not applicable. Horsepower, not applicable. Presets, 0, speeds, 5, dimensions, 18 by 3 by 3 inches, warranty, 3 years.